Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing this security camera. This is outdoors. You have pan and tilt, night vision, IP66, motion detection, two-way audio, and you can view it with your cell phone. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what all you get. So you get instruction card, manual. You get the base itself, which is a really nice looking 360-degree rotations. I do not recommend turning this at home. Wait till it's turned on and let it turn on itself. I'm just showing you guys the rotation by doing it slowly. So that is the camera. These are the cables. If you want to connect it to Ethernet via that way or Wi-Fi, you can do so. They provide you with the Ethernet cable, mounting brackets, power supply, and a screwdriver. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Now you're going to want this plugged in somewhere, so keep that in mind. You just go like this, and then this will get plugged in. And we're going to show you guys once we have it set up outside. But we just plug this in here. And it's probably going to go through the motions and ask you to go to the app. This is signal antenna, which is great, so you can have it pretty far away. We're going to let it do its thing. Check out this to get the app. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you guys on the back here. Go ahead and open this up. This is where you're going to have your reset and your SD card slot. So you're going to want your SD card in here. So right in here's reset, and right in here you would slide your SD card. So that goes right inside there. So it's turning on. And let's show you guys the video quality, because that's what most people want to see. You know, you get a good look at how it looks, but now most people want to see the video quality. So we're going to go ahead and manually set that up and show you guys the video quality. All right, for us, we ran an extension cord outside and cable. As you guys can see, we ran this from an outlet we had outside, however you guys want to do it. And then we ran our cable to our actual camera as we mounted it. So it's very simple to mount. You just mount it with the screws. Make sure you follow the manual, the bracket, and everything. But we ran it up very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead now and show you guys the video quality, and you guys can determine if this is something you want, if you like the video quality. By the way, guys, I did the whole app setup. Now, I don't show the app setting it up because, long story short, I showed one time and someone was able to hack my camera from me showing the video of me setting it up. You know, it's a lot of people can do a lot of things with very little information. So I don't show you guys showing the app and what it looks like for mine. But it was easy to set up, very simple to connect, good signal, and all of that was easy. Installation was very simple. Just mount the screws in. It's very easy. Almost anyone could do it. So there's the video quality. See what you guys think. But as far as how it looks, the quality I think is good. Setup, I would give it a 2 out of 5 as far as being hard. So it was only 2 out of 5 as far as being hard to set up. So overall, I like it. It's going to work good to help us catch any thieves that might come our way.